Yo, if you found this video, please send this to Ryan Trehan. Also, I'm recording this on the last 2 hours because, yeah, it releases on June 15. So, like I said, please send this video to. Wait, actually, yeah, I was right. So, please, I have an idea on how to make Joyride the most. Okay, I have, a, I have an idea on how to make Joyride the most bought candy in Target. I don't exactly live in the US because I'm from the Philippines. Plus, uh, the idea is to make ads that look like Wonderland themed. Also, make the shelves look Wonderland themed, like no other. Please find this video.